also have like the best in the world, man.
What's this place called?
I don't know.
All right, well, we're at the waterfalls today.
Waterfall.
We're at the waterfalls of Langkawi. Oh shit, they got shitters. Are those shitters? Those are change rooms, maybe. Anyway, that's right. Just poop on the floor. Oh. Nope. Oh wow, that looks fucking crazy. Oh, this is gonna feel so fucking good.
Multiple times. Something's a big deal if you don't do it. Then how does it quake?
Oh, that's it? Oh, there's more.
Yeah.
Are we going up again? I just want to go to whatever that pool is up there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people there as well. Yeah, then we gotta go up to the left.
That looks fucking sketchy. Oh, that's good tips. Good tip. Don't fall, guys. Don't look down.
Well, and if you fall
Man, I didn't count for a hike. Fuck's sake.
What are you carrying in your bag?
3 kilos speaker.
What? Why? I got my tiny one on me. What the fuck? Keep your lips off that shit. No backwashing. Holy fuck. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Woo. Holy shit. It's pretty amazing. I honestly thought it was gonna be crazier.
What?
I was expecting it to be more crazy.
I think it's because it's not the rainy season.
Yeah,
so it's not-
because the KL waterfalls were fucking like crazy. Where do you guys want to put our stuff? Let's go. Get in there. Alright. Apparently the water's really warm, so Let's get in there. You awake now? Which way did you go in? This way?
I went in down here.
Oh, this isn't that. This is not that cold. This is like a lake in my city.
Yeah, but you're from Canada, man.
That's true. Yeah, this is not too bad. Wow, this is really nice. Do a backflip. Don't do a backflip. Whew. You guys coming in?
It's not that deep. Like, I'm floating here.
Yeah, it's not that deep. I'm floating here. That's not the same as standing. You know that, right?
Yeah, but it's still manageable. You'd probably be able to stand this end. Like.
Oh, shit. Okay, now the belly button and then the nips. Huh? No, just gotta go slow like I always do. Little here. Huh? Yeah, nips wet. The belly button's wet. We're good. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is kind of like Thetis Lake or some shit back home.
Get in. Take the dip. Yeah.
All right.
Is it waterproof?
Oh yeah. Stand up, man. Where you going, dude? Fucking stand up. Oh yeah, I can just stand here.
Yeah.
Oh, my tippy toes. Oh shit. You're going underwater. I'll go with you. Nice. That was sick. This video's gonna go viral for sure. Pretty amazing. Yeah, very nice. Alright, time to head out. Next stop, we don't know. Whew. Ooh. Oh. Petrified wood.
Is it?
No.
What is it?
That's what it looks like though. This is a little bit sketchy. Grab that rock right there.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. What do you see?
I don't know. Is it
There's a bug?
It's a black one.
Oh, like centipede.
I don't know. This one.
Where is it?
This one, the black one.
Oh,
I never see that.
interesting. Yeah.
The head is like a hammer. The strip.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow,
It's
alien
really going down. I'm not sure.
from different planet.
Okay.
Oh.
You see that?
Whoa. That's so cool. It's like a worm with a flat head.
Yeah. One more.
I'm gonna get down.
Yeah, get down. It.
It's right there.
Oh my god. It's right there. Oh yeah, there it is.
Inside.
Here.
Still can get. Oh yeah, going down already. That one. Okay.
Wow, weird.
Dude,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
looks
Here.
like some predator shit.
Yeah. It looks
My
like
first time saw this one.
wow. Crazy. Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch. Be careful.
You see it? Yeah. Oh yeah. It's apparently a lot longer.
And it's got a weird flat head. Some alien shit, dude. You good?
Yeah.
A little sketchy going down this. Ken made it sound like it was really... We should have swam right here.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at that spider.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a big net.
Nice.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Chilling. You guys can't see that, but that's a fucking huge spider. I bet it's not a very nice spider. Probably gives you little painful kisses. It's too bad there's so much garbage here.
Yeah. I don't get how you can't just like leave the place as when you arrive. I don't get when people just leave a bunch of shit and just fuck off, expecting.
Because they've probably been doing it for years, right?
Yeah.
That's probably why they have fires here. They burn all the garbage. Hello. Someone got shot sitting on that bench over there.
50 caliber, right in the heart.
I'm trying to see. Is that the name of it?
Oh no, Secrets of the River. That's not the name.
I know. I'm trying to find the name.
Just explaining how the river works. There's an aquifer.
Is that the name on that sign there?
No, that's just
Some more bullshit.
the water and streams department.
Well, goddamn.
It's called Temurun Falls.
Temuran Falls.
Temurun. That's a handicap ramp over there. Hey, they brought in 2 volts. fine place. There's a little skate park on the island. Oh, the one next to the paddy fields. Check that one out. No. There's actually a skate park here with a really nice cafe as well. That's mainly local kids, but it's a really cool vibe because it's surrounded completely by paddy fields. But yeah, that is cool. A lot of kids skate here. Yeah, but I wouldn't say it's as big as it is in the US. Yeah. What about Heelys? Heelys? Nah.
Heelys.
She got me Heelys.
I thought we had to drive somewhere to go to the beach, but the beach was right across the street from the waterfalls. So here we are. I noticed the beaches in Malaysia, like on the south of the island, or west. I guess we're on the west coast. They're not as blue as like Thailand waters were. So we'll see how this water is here. See if it's nice. I'll probably jump in there anyway. Oh, it's not that nice. Oh, the water's not that nice. Not bad actually. Hello. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Oh. What's that over there?
Thailand.
That's Thailand over there?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It's like a massive national park. There's no hotels or anything. Like,
Is that? It's a big island?
What?
Is that a big island right there?
Yeah, there's one massive chunk of island. And then on the left there, that's Koh
look at
Lipe.
that.
On the left?
No,
It's like
that one.
same size Langkawi.
That one's Koh Lipe.
Oh, you can't probably see it. But yeah, cool. Crazy.
From here.
That's crazy. That's kind of cool though. It's protected. How's the water? Warm? Warm? Are we going in here?
Yeah.
It does not look fucking foot friendly at all. This is a fucking rocky ass water here, man. She says it's warm though, so I believe her. Let's go by where those rocks are over there, so I can sit on the rock.
You wanna go over there?
Yeah. Like not all over there, but this where these rocks are here. They're really nice rocks though.
Like here?
Yeah, sure. I don't like oceans, so there's nobody swimming in them. Sketches me out a little bit. Like, why is there only one other person in the water?
There's like 4 other people here.
Oh, that's true. There's a bunch of people by the river. There's a river there. They're all by the river. How is it?
Feels like the same as that.
Yeah?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Weird.
A little rocky.
A little. Huh?
Rocks are cool though.
Huh?
Rocks are cool.
Are we going in?
It's rocky, but it's not like sharp rocks. No. It's actually, you know when you go on those footpaths with like rocks for like acupuncture and shit. Yeah, it just feels like
You was full?
no, I didn't.
I got on video.
That was not graceful at all.
Awesome. That'd be a good clip.
The water's actually nice and cool. Not too warm.
Was it colder than that?
I would say it's the same temperature, but then I'm already used to that.
All right.
I washed all my bathing suits.
Dicks over Harambe. Are you warning us of something?
Yeah.
Is there a tsunami coming? Those monkeys?
Their language is slower now.
What?
You speak their language is slower.
I tried.
Are those monkeys?
Birds. They're all birds.
Oh. I was like, do I need to worry about my ship being stolen by monkeys?
Yeah, do you want me to just sit out here and wait for...
Oh no, you can go in, it's all good. I'm just joking. I'm not worried. Let's grab some rocks and throw them at monkeys.
Yeah, and then just pick somebody up there and
Oh no, we'll just grab rocks and throw them at them. Alright, let's fucking see if I can do this. Ah, shit! Oh! Oh, this is a beautiful beach. Oh, fuck. Is that what you call it? This is the Dave special. Just getting fucking raped by this ocean bed. Oh gosh.
I think you just need to start rolling over the rocks. Just go on all fours. It's just a lot easier.
I see sand right there. Yeah. Well, maybe no, I was wrong. It's not. It's just a rock. Oh shit. Whew. Hey. This feels slightly warmer than that.
Yeah, it's not bad. Good.
Holy shit. There we go. Alright, we're going to another beach now. I don't really know where we're going. But alright. Third swimming hole spot.
Swimming hole. Oh, this beach is handicap accessible.
Just fucking let the wheelchairs roll.
Then it gets to the sand and then just face plants.
Oh, there's a big fire down there. That Axel guy messaged me. He's like, "Where are you guys?"
We're gone now.
Oh, yeah, I don't feel like trying to. Hello? There's people in this ocean. We're at the good spot now.
Oh, Mama.
Well, you want to go to the end?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
By the rocks there?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the end by the rocks. Escape all these people. And next time I travel, I gotta make sure I'm not bringing water shoes. There's so many places I wish I had water shoes. Monkey. Where you going, buddy? Fucking beautiful day. Good? Huh?
Yeah, this is all runoff from there.
Yeah.
We can go around the corner if you really want. Hey?
Nice.
Oh wow. Oh. Is it the same water? It's colder. It feels colder, right? Am I tripping? Maybe I think I'm tripping. It can't be colder. It's gotta be the same. Whew. No, it's gotta be the same. It's nice and sandy. It's amazing how rocky it is right there.
Right? And then like how fine it is here.
Is this fucking man-made?
It might be.
Right? Yeah. So what's this beach called?
Sandy Skulls? Sugar Skulls?
Sandy.
Skulls, something with
Something
skulls.
skulls, guys. Sandy beach, salty skulls, Langkawi. Come on, guys. Oh. Woo. And past the belly button.
Right?
I should check my pockets first, but it's all good. That was a dope belly flop. That was sick. that was awesome. I didn't get him. I wish I got it on video, honestly. It was perfect.
I can't dive.
Oh shit! Someone bit my fucking foot.
Alright, let's go down.
Like a crab or something. A crab just like fucking like bit my fucking foot. What the fuck? Jump in. Dive in, Dave. Oh, diver Dave. That was awesome. Dave's drowning, quick! Someone help my friend Dave!
I severely miscalculated that fall.
Hopefully no crab fucking bites me. That's crab territory over there.
go on holiday, lose your dick because of grabs.
Whoa, could you imagine? I can't imagine
I
that.
think the Thai lady boy comes from.
Thai lady boy? What? They have dicks. You mean they're all lady boys first and then they become girls after? They were all lady boys. Oh, there's people fishing right there.
What?
People fishing.
Oh yeah.
You fucking splash me?
Nah, it's the ocean, man. It's the ocean, man.
That's,
Wasn't me.
that's fucked up, dude. That's fucked up, man. You splash a man in his back? That's some backstabbing shit. Yeah, look a man in his eyes when you can slash him. Oh. Ah. Oh, this spot's better than the other one, I think. At least there's sand here.
Yeah. This is way better.
Get in there, Dave. Fucking get in there.
Physical.
He's really good at hitting the ball in his head. He's professional. He's professional. Professional. Who's your head, man? Who's your head, Dave?
That was nowhere close.
That was awesome. That was a good try, man.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Portugal.
Portugal.
Yeah. This is him. He's on Langkawi.
Okay.
Switzerland.
Oh, nice.
Swiss, we're living here. Family holiday here.
You are? Yeah? Nice.
I live in Langkawi.
Oh, you live here?
You
Oh.
work here as well. What do you do?
Mostly F&B, entertainment.
Okay.
Bars,
I love when there's waves.
Yeah.
It's my favorite. Oh, that's a big one. Oh yeah, this one's a good one right here. Welcome.
I used to live here 30 years ago. Oh, I'm Malaysian. My dad used to work here. Okay. So I'm coming back after 30 years to see the place.
You anak Langkawi lah.
Yeah, well, somewhat.
No, KL.
Half the time KL, but I work in Alesta, just on the area. Yeah.
My wife from Malacca.
Okay.
So it's the remembering holiday, but Alasta Langkawi like 1 hour ferry.
Yeah, it's next door, man. It's great. Oh yeah, this is way better.
Yeah. The sand.
I'm not gonna.
I got bit by a fucking crab over there though.
I got sliced by something. I think I got a dickworm over there somewhere.
Dickworm? What the fuck is that?
I don't know. It's a worm that goes up your dick hole.
Don't say that.
From the name.
We are at now a third beach today. What's this beach called?
What?
What's this beach name?
The name of this beach? Tanjong.
Tanjong. It's like a resort beach or some shit, but it's pretty nice. You guys gonna go in?
Enjoying the vibe. I'm gonna dry out a little. Yeah, I love those little boats.
Alright, let's fucking check this fucking beach out. Camera's almost fucking dead. What is it at? Not 30%, it's not bad. I'm waiting for it to get deeper. Is it getting deeper? Oh, the bottom doesn't feel very good. Ow! Huh?
Feels like clay.
Does it? It feels gross over there. Oh, the bottom's not very clean. It's kind of a dirty. Hey? Lots of broken shells and shit. I'm not above my knees right now still. Below my knees, I mean. Oh, this water's it's not that nice, the water.
Yeah, I think the other beach was the best one.
Yeah, definitely. This is squishy, this dirt. It's kind of gross. I don't like the way it feels.
It's like oily almost. It's weird. It sticks to your feet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna swim in this water. I'm fucking tired.
I've done quite a bit of exploring today, to be fair.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock already. To think that 2 hours ago we're like, what? It's only 2:30? Yeah. Oh, good spot. Till next time.